Good morning, folks. What is going on? 4:46 a.m., February 25th. Taking a look this morning, bright and early. Philip Morris. Philip Morris had an ugly day yesterday and did not recover like some of the other stocks in the market. Our trailing stop was hit yesterday as it did its job just fine. And Philip Morris was down, looks like 5.3%, $5.80. On the bright side for Philip Morris, if you can look at this chart and find a bright side, well, here's what I see. We have a big old price gap. And fortunately, that price gap is above the market. That price gap sits at 106.33 to 108.01. So we got a $2 or so price gap above the market in Philip Morris. And if you've been watching this channel for any length of time, you'll know that at one point, price gaps do what? They go back and get filled. So at some point, we will see a higher Philip Morris, and this price gap here between 106 and 108 will get filled. And what that means is the price will trade back up to this area. So the big old question is when will that happen? Well, we just watch this thing day by day. We have our long orders working in the market just in case we get a massive rally to the upside. We don't want to miss out on the next buying opportunity for good old PM, Philip Morris. Supposedly, according to the website, they're trying to develop a smoke-free future. Wonder how that's going to work out for them. So far, that was ugly, as I had mentioned. Nothing more than a pullback to the 200-day, 50-day. Yes, we are below what was a nice support area, the 21-day for Philip Morris. We had mentioned, though, that although this thing was very strong to the upside, that we were starting to get a little bit far away from the 200-day. And although we were not going to argue with the price going up, we had mentioned in prior Philip Morris videos that this thing needs to cool off a bit, and whatever that means, whether that means a sharp pullback like this, which can wrap it all up in sometimes one candle, or sideways to a slight downtrend to let these moving averages catch up to the price. Well, we got a very sharp pullback yesterday, so this thing could be all wrapped up in one candle, and perhaps we'll continue higher from here. Go up, fill that gap. We will see. Depends on the overall market environment. Things are a bit crazy right now in the world, unfortunately. So who knows what will happen here with Philip Morris. So just wanted to drop this video in, let you guys know that we are currently flat Philip Morris. And on the positive side, our trailing stop was hit. And on the another positive is we have an overhead price gap. So at some point, we do expect prices to rise once again for Philip Morris. And just jumping back here, a quick look, as you can see when the price gets too far above the 200-day, the 200-day is the red line on my screen, that we do get these pullbacks and we have to let time catch up to the price. And once again over here, looks like this was September 7th, give or take, but it was a long going battle here. The price got pulled back to the 200-day before moving up once again. So we will see. That is why we have trailing stops in the market, to protect our capital, protect our positions, and there is always another opportunity around the corner to get back into a stock. So keep your eye on that overhead price gap between the 106, 108 area and look for that to get filled at some point as well as keeping your eye on the general markets. Wild news going on in Russia and Ukraine. Sad times, but let's keep our eye on this chart and this overhead price gap. Thank you for watching this video. Welcome to the channel, all of the new subscribers, and thank you once again for all of the current subscribers taking time out of their day to check out these stock market videos. You guys take care. I will catch you guys in the next video.